The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max made their debut at Apple's annual fall event on Tuesday. From the moment I picked them up in a hands-on area inside the Steve Jobs Theater, I could tell there was some significant refinements compared with previous Pro models. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are made with titanium instead of the stainless steel found on last year's iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, and as a result are noticeably lighter. In recent years, Apple used its Pro phones to push the envelope with tech advances while keeping the standard models with the previous year's tech, likely to reduce costs and incentivize upgrading to the pricier premium models. That's proved true with the standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, which get last year's 14 Pro perks. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max carry on this tradition, and since rumors of an iPhone 15 Ultra were unfounded, these are Apple's most advanced phones yet. Apple has begrudgingly adopted USB-C for the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, but I'm still glad it's here. You can now use the same cable for charging your MacBook, iPad, and iPhone, and there's a USB-C charging case coming for the AirPods Pro. The USB-C port on the iPhone 15 Pro Max supports USB 3 and gives you transfer speeds up to 20x faster than before. There's also a new ultra-wideband chip which lets you connect iPhones from longer distance and also lets you find nearby iPhone users that are friends or family when you are in a crowd. The iPhone 15 Pro Max upgrades to Wi-Fi 6E for faster speeds, but not the state-of-the-art Wi-Fi 7 standard. A new satellite-based roadside assistance feature will give you peace of mind if you get stuck, which connects directly to AAA. There was a rumor that the iPhone 15 Pro Max was going to be called the iPhone 15 Ultra, but the new device feels pretty ultra to me so far. You get a surprisingly light and sturdy titanium design, a handy action button, and powerful A17 Bionic chip. My favorite upgrade though is the new 5x telephoto zoom lens. At the same time, $1,199 is a lot of money to spend on a new iPhone, and while the action button is clever, I'd like to see Apple add more options so you can use it for more than one action at any given time. The charging is not any faster either despite the arrival of USB-C. Overall, though, the iPhone 15 Pro Max could be the phone to beat. Stay tuned for our full iPhone 15 Pro Max review and in-depth testing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.